Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you some hacks to fix your FaceTime camera lagging. So if your FaceTime camera is lagging, what you need to do is to simply, uh, uh, some things that I personally use are to check your internet connection to see if it is providing sufficient network to the required application, that is FaceTime. One more thing that you can do is to simply go to your applications from uh, scrolling to the bottom, clicking on this and searching for FaceTime, and from there seeing all of the things that are need to be enabled and speaking as FaceTime live photos, eye contact, and block content, silence unknown seller callers, this and that. But one more thing that I recommend is to simply clear your cache data. And yeah, these are some things that I personally use that are to check for your internet that it is providing sufficient network. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and